In this lecture, we'll talk about timeline in Nuke. First, let's see the controls of timeline. We have this right side and this left side. This left side is a reflection to right side. The same controls but in the opposite direction. Here we can find play forward. Here we can find play backward. Go to next frame. Go to previous frame. Go to the next keyframe. Go to previous keyframe. And go to the end. Go to start. And here we can find our this red O. It's the end point, and here is start point. How we use them? We play this to play forward, and the shortcut of play forward is L. If we press L, now it will stop. So it have W's. Press L once, it will play. Press again, it will stop. If we want to play backward, we press J. Press again to stop. And if we want to stop forward or backward, we press K. So we have L playing forward, J playing backward, and K to stop. We can also move between keyframes with these two buttons. How we know that we have a keyframe in our timeline? It's very easy in Nuke. The blue arrow indicates that this frame contains a keyframe. So here we have a 3 keyframes in frame 1 and frame 25 and frame 50. We can move between them in this way. So how to make keyframes and how to control them in timeline? It's very easy. Let's make a color wheel, and now press T to get transform, and press 1 to view what we have here. We have our transform and color wheel. We press transform twice, and then we have translate, we have rotate, we have scale and skew. Now we want to scale this color wheel a little down. We move this and we scaled our color wheel a little bit down. We want to make a little animation here. We want to make this color wheel move from here to here. This is how we can do it. First we get this color wheel here and press set key. When we press set key, this rectangle turns to blue, and now we can move our color wheel to make animation. Now we are in frame 50. Let's go back to frame 1 and move our color wheel to the other side. Now if we play this, we have animation. But what if I want to play only to this frame? It's very easy. We can put our end here by pressing O. So when we play like this, it will repeat after the animation ends. Now, if I want to add a keyframe in the middle, I can do it by move this circle here like this. And if I played my animation, now I have added a new keyframe. If I want to change the keyframe in timeline, I can use my top sheet. When I press this top sheet, I can find all my keyframes here. So when I want to move this keyframe from frame 30 to frame 20, I can do this by press my left click and drag to frame 20. Now when I play, I find that I have moved my keyframe, and we notice that this blue mark moved from frame 30 to frame 20. And we have finished this lecture by knowing that how to make animation, how to control my timeline, and how to find my keyframes easily. In the next lecture, we will talk about